Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Naresi Alex under registration number TED/3939/20. I'm a student in Moi University taking technology education with computer under the option of automotive and power. Today I'm going to talk about a field trip report which was held in Mombasa in between 29th May to 5th June 2022. The main purpose for that field trip was to expose learners to different industries and their working environment. And the objective of the study was, by the end of that field trip, the learner should be able to, 1. Explain the role of ICT in the industrial operation, and secondly, to relate their theoretical knowledge with the practical industrial operation. While in Mombasa, we visited various industries. These industries are Associated Vehicle Industry, Kenya Ferry Services, Brolo Kenya Limited. Then we moved to Kengen, which is in Kipevu 1 under the production of electricity, and lastly in Mombasa Cement. The first company I'm going to talk about is Associated Vehicle Assembly. This company is located kwa Jomvu, Miritini, Mombasa, Kenya. The company is being owned by the Simba Cooperative Limited. It was started in 1975 and the first production was done in 1977. In 1978 to 1988, the company continued to grow in production. The company has a size of 201 to 500 employees. The company handles vehicles such as Toyota, Nissan, Honda, Subaru, Isuzu, and many others. The vision for the company is a vision for change. On people, their vision is to create an environment where people will have skills in production, innovation, and technology. Now, let's move and see the activities which are being done in this company. First, I will start with the car assembly. In car assembly, just the sheet metal parts for the bodywork are created and stamped by people. These parts from side frame, doors, and roofs, which are later added onto the main frame of the car, are being separated in different sections. Once the frame is created and the parts are ready to be assembled, the car will be loaded onto a production line. The car will travel along a moving assembly line in a factory whereby the people are working on it. Many parts being assembled at a different point. The work being done by these people is, 1, we have welding, soldering, screwing, and gluing parts of the car. After that, the car will undergo detailing. Under detailing, the activities which are being done there are, 1, cleaning is being done, painting again is being done. After those activities, therefore the car needs to be completed, whereby the transmission axles and the exhaust systems are installed into the car and tires are finished so that the car can stand on its own. After that assembling, the car will undergo testing. The headlights are being tested so that to test their brightness. The second one, we have brakes are being tested so that we can see its safety. The roles of ICT is, in the company, in many parts, CCTVs are being located in different areas, whereby these CCTVs are used to monitor the movements of the workers and the work being done in the company. Another role is to assist in the security, to see the material which are being brought in and the material which are being brought taken out of the company. Another one is just for the computers are being used for data storage. The information for workers and the information for the company is being stored in that computer.
Maybe the two. Fuck.
The second company I'm going to talk about is the Kenya Ferry Services. This company is being located in Likoni, Kenya. It was started in 1937. It's being run by Kenya Bus Services Limited. In 1989, the Kenya government services took over the ownership and operation of the ferry. In 1990, the Kenya government brought in the new ferry, that is the Nyayo, Harambe, Kilindini, and Mutongwe. These ferries carries 60 vehicles for one trip and 1,500 passengers. In 2006, the Kenya ferry brought in new ferries, that is the Jumbo from Turkey, which carries 65 vehicles for one trip and 15,000 for passengers. Another ferry was the Safari ferry, which carries the same passengers and the cars like the Jumbo ferry. Now, in the Kenya Ferry Services, we moved to a workshop whereby we saw different machines. The first machine was the lead machine. We have lead machine, milling machine, and the engineer talked about the C12 engine. The C12 engine is the engine which is being used by the ferries for movement. The work of the C12 engine, that is energy conversion. We have the energy, which is in form of oil. Oil reacts with air for production of heat. After we have the production of heat, the gas trapped inside the cylinder piston, it's caused results of build-up pressure, which causes the piston to move up and down in the cylinder. As the piston moves up and down, it causes the conversion of heat energy to mechanical energy. As the mechanical energy continues to be produced, we have the clock connect with the crank so that the piston continues moving faster up and down to change the mechanical energy to kinetic energy, which is the energy in motion. As the kinetic energy continues to be formed, the ferry starts to move. After that, we moved again to see other parts of the ferry, which we saw. We have the propeller shaft, whereby the ferry has got two propeller shafts, that is the front and the back propeller shaft. The purpose for this propeller shaft, the front assists the ferry to move the ferry forward, and the back propeller shaft assists to move the ferry backwards. Another company I'm going to talk about, that is the Kengen company, which is for production of electricity. The company is being located in Kipevu, and the company we visited was Kipevu 1. It is being owned by the Zavo Power Company Limited. The raw material is oil. Electricity generators are used to convert the form of energy to electricity. In this company, we have two transformers. The first one, we have the step-up transformer and the step-down transformer. The purpose for step-up transformer is when we have low supply of electricity, that transformer is used to step up the power to the required electricity. And the purpose for the step-down transformer, when we have high electricity production, that transformer is used to step down to the limited required electricity. apart from that, we have turbine-driven generators. These turbine-driven generators, they are used to drive the fluid, water, and steam. After that, these fluids are being added to oil, and the turbine driven generator, they drive it to change to electricity and store to tankers for purpose of selling it and supplying to different parts of Kenya. Another company I'm going to talk about, that is the Brolo Kenya Limited. This company is being located in Miritini, Mombasa. The company has been in steel manufacturing industry over 35 years. The company manufactures wide range of valuable steel and tubular parts, that is for building and construction. So the manufacturers are consisting of shifting machine, automotive machine, and steel line machine. The core activities in this company. The company manufactures steel plates, sheets, and strips called formed profiles such as angles, channel, circular, square, and rectangular structure hollow sections. The ribbons are the main raw materials which are used in the production. These ribbons are cut into different lengths and diameter. They are used for creating strong metal such as pipes. The last company I'm going to talk about, that is Mombasa Cement Company. This company is located to the far end of Mombasa in Vipingo. The raw materials for this company is limestone, that is calcium carbonate, iron core, that is iron oxide, shell, which is in form of aluminum oxide. We have the coal, which is used to generate fuel. Core activities for this company. The main core activity are mainly different raw materials, undergo various processes, and at last bring out the conversion product to form what? Cement. The process for cement production. We have extraction of raw material, that is calcium carbonate, silica, and aluminum, which are mixed and they run on a conveyor belt. That is a raw material grinding and burning. These raw materials are being heated at a temperature of 1250 to 1300 degrees Celsius before cooling in burst, where in burst, that is, air is taken into a cooler, converting to grinding and delivering. A small portion of gypsum is being added. The reason why we add this gypsum is to regulate how the cement will sit in the moisture, and we have other materials being added so that the cement can be able to withstand the weather elements which are outside the company. After that, the mixture is being run to different conveyor belts, and it reaches to where packaging is being done. After the packaging into different bags, the cement is being transported to different sections, maybe for transportation to different areas of Kenya. Now, I've talked about the 5 companies in Mombasa, and this is my dedication to my fellow Kenyans. I dedicate this video to my fellow students taking technology education in Moi University and other universities, whom I strongly believe they are answers to their generation. And to all the people who were born to be engineers, to you I dedicate this video. Thank you so much, and may God bless you.